Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive or request money on PayPal. As you can see, I'm on PayPal right now and I'm going to show you step by step how to request money and receive it. So first log into your PayPal account and then you will be on your dashboard like this. Then at the top bar you can see all these options, and the third one is send a request. You want to hit send a request and this will bring you over to this page where you can transfer and get money. So by default it's set to send, so you want to go to request, and as you can see up to 20 people can pay you back even without an account, just their email or mobile number. So just enter in their name or their email. So just enter in their email and just like this. I don't really know an email, but just send it to the email that you want to get money from. Then you can hit get started and continue. So let me actually do one. I know one. This one. Gmail.com. Just fill it in. There we go, request, and then hit get started, and then enter the amount. So I'm going to do just 1 cent, and then you can add a note or add someone else. Then you can hit request money and they will get an email notification that you request money for them. So that's how you can receive money or request money on PayPal. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.